Let us continue with the concept on finding the areas of shaded portion. The question says, in the given figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrilateral OPBQ of a circle. If OA is equal to 20 centimeters, find the area of the shaded region. Let us understand the question. They talk about a square, that is OABC. This square is inscribed in a quadrant OBPQ, as you can observe in the figure. Now further, the value of OA is equal to 20 centimeters. We are supposed to find the area of this shaded region. If you clearly observe, this shaded region can be found by subtracting the area of a square from the area of the sector, which is nothing but a quadrant. So we can write the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the sector, which is O dash PBQ, minus area of the square, which is quadrilateral OABC. Now students, let us focus on finding the area of the sector. So tell me, what is the formula? It is nothing but theta upon 360 into pi r square. If you observe, we need to get the value of theta for it. As we know that the quadrilateral OABC is a square, the value of theta is going to be 90 degrees. So we can write quadrilateral OABC is a square and angle O is equal to 90 degrees, which is nothing but the central angle for the sector. Further, we need to get the value of radius as well, and we need to calculate the radius in this sum. We can have the radius as OB. So let's draw OB. If you observe carefully, the radius of the quadrant is equal to the diagonal of a square. That means if we need to find the radius of the quadrant, we need to get the diagonal of a square. Yes, we know the relation between the diagonal of a square and its side. We have the diagonal of a square is equal to root 2 times the side. So we can write the diagonal is equal to root 2 into side, which is equal to root 2 into the value of side is 20 as mentioned in the question. So the diagonal is equal to 20 root 2 centimeters. As we have got the value of the diagonal, now we can get the radius, and the radius of the quadrant is equal to 20 root 2 centimeters. If we have found the value of the radius, now we can calculate the area of the sector. That is, area of the sector O dash PBQ is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. On substituting, we have the area of the sector is equal to 90 upon 360 into the value of pi is 3.14 into r square, which is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. The further simplification, 0 terms get cancelled. 9 into 1 is 9, 9 into 4 times is 36, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So the terms remaining are 3.14 into 5 into 20 into root 2 is 2. Further, it is equal to 3.14 into 200. The final answer for area of the sector O dash PBQ is equal to 628 centimeters square. Students, we have calculated the first part of the sum. Now, let us focus on finding the area of the square. So tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a square? Yes, it is equal to side square. So we write area of the quadrilateral OABC is equal to side square, which is equal to 20 square. And the value for area of the quadrilateral OABC is equal to 400 centimeters square. Now students, we have calculated both the parts of the sum. Now we can easily find the area of the shaded region, which is equal to area of the sector O dash PBQ minus the area of the quadrilateral OABC. Now let us substitute the respective values. We have the area of the shaded region is equal to 628 minus 400, which is equal to 228 centimeters square. Now students, we can say that the area of the shaded region is 228 centimeter square. Thank you.